Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to run Word as administrator in Windows. To start, enter Word in the search box. You can right-click on Word and select the option, Run as Administrator. Additionally, you can display the options in the side panel, and in the options, click on Run as Administrator. With any of these options, you must click Yes to authorize access and open Word in administrator mode. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.